All right, so number 3, key way to handle inflation, real assets.
Real assets.
Real assets.
No fake asses.
No fake assets, okay?
Real assets.
We're talking about cash flowing assets like real estate.
Real assets, real physical assets. Real estate tends to maintain its value over time. And when you have a real estate property that produces cash flow, your tenants are paying down the debt on a property. So even if the value of the property goes up and down, your cash flow will still generally remain the same. And sometimes your cash flow can go up because you can make improvements to the property and you can charge higher rent. You can also, because when inflation goes up, all the prices of things rise. So people tend to be more accepting towards higher rent on properties if they're renting because of inflation. Real assets, real estate, something physical, these are some of the things that can be very impactful when it comes to hedging against inflation. If you don't know how to go buy real estate, or you don't want to go buy real estate, a whole building or something like that, you can buy something called a REIT. It's called Real Estate Investment Trust. It's basically similar to like a mutual fund, but it's backed by real estate. So it pays dividends or it pays cash flow, so you actually get some payment. So let's say there's a REIT that focuses on shopping malls. Shopping malls are not great right now, but so there's a REIT that focuses on shopping malls. And so the shopping malls, the stores at the shopping malls pay rent to the owner of the shopping mall every month. And so they collect money and things like that. And so if you are trying to have a real asset, but you don't want to go buy the real asset, you can buy something called a real estate investment trust. And you can use that as a hedge against inflation if you want to get access to real assets. However, like for example, for us, we're in the process of looking at assisted living real estate. So that's one of the real estate that we like, is assisted living properties. So those kinds of things will maintain its value and also produce cash flow, because assisted living properties produce very strong cash flow. Good multifamily properties in good neighborhoods where people want to live and people are moving to produce strong cash flow and allows people to continue to pay you even when the economy is bad, or even when lots of things aren't going well. People still need a place to live. So real estate and real assets are a great hedge against inflation.